In this exquisite and thoroughly modern 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, you will be fortunate to have it all. Excellent all-day light with soothing and empowering open city views seen through all new windows. This exceptionally quiet residence has been meticulously designed for today's lifestyle and renovated from top to bottom with terrific storage. An enlarged central hall gallery welcomes you to this gorgeous home. The primary bedroom has a fantastic walk-in closet and was strategically designed to have private access via a pocket door to the bathroom, which is also accessible from the foyer. This contemporary white bathroom has subway wall tiles, hexagonal Carrara marble floor tiles, and crisp white fixtures. The second bedroom is perfectly situated off the central gallery. Real cooks will enjoy the reconfigured kitchen, which features white shaker-style cabinets, black granite counters, white subway tile backsplash, and a wonderful breakfast bar. In addition, there are high-end Liebherr, JennAir, and KitchenAid stainless steel appliances with great workspace and storage. The apartment abounds in detail. Customized closets by one of New York's premier professional organizers, elegant wood floors, solid wood doors with custom moldings, custom millwork which houses the through-the-wall air conditioners and radiators, crown moldings, classic window treatments, plus modern lighting. This peaceful and beautiful home is located in the west wing of Schwab House, facing north, mid-block on West 74th Street, set back over landscape gardens and facing high above historic townhouses and beyond. It is rare to find a home in such beautiful moving condition and where every window has both a great view and privacy. Schwab House is a fully serviced cooperative on the Upper West Side, one of the most desirable, vibrant, beautiful, and historic residential neighborhoods in Manhattan. It is conveniently located around the corner from Fairway, Citarella, Trader Joe's, the Beacon Theater, and the 1, 2, and 3 subway lines, and just across the street from Riverside Park with its playgrounds, bicycle paths, sports fields, and dog runs. It is a very short distance to Lincoln Center and multiple cinemas. Schwab House features on-site management and 24-hour doorman, plus a gym, playroom, 2 luxuriously landscaped roof decks with panoramic views, a bike room, lending library, and an air-conditioned modern lobby. Open houses are not permitted, however, this great home is easily shown by appointment.